motorcycle convention.
Yeah, they have event here.
We're going to pick out a motorcycle for William. He likes that one. There's a whole row to pick from. Oh, just kidding. We're actually here for soccer practice. So we're looking for William's team. But he knows where they are. He sees them. They are running sprints right now.
Wesley, I tried Wesley to go in that team.
Yeah. He's still too little to understand that.
Wesley is so fun.
He just wants to run around and take the ball from everybody. Guys, if you wonder what the weather's like in the Philippines at the end of April, beginning of May, it's hot as a mother father. It's super duper hot. William said he's going to try his best. That's all he can do.
That's his team.
That's his team. He's a little bit late. It's not his fault. He had to take a nap. Had to get his rest. He says, put me in, coach. I'm ready. And he's off. Go get him, Tiger. Well, thank you, honey. got a nice pass through the middle and he lands on his butt shot. And it's time to turn on the jets. Oh, he almost got it. He went down hard. Sports car convention. Sunday Riders.
Can you buy one?
Oh yeah, we'll buy one.
Oh, wait. Is it a McLaren? Oh. Yeah. I want to see a Lamborghini. I want to see a Lamborghini.
There's one right there. No, that's a Ferrari.
Yeah. Oh, look at her.
Wow, that's a cool one.
Yeah. It's like a Ferrari. Ferrari. Mommy, do you know? Whoa!
Look at these trucks, dude.
Look at that truck.
Look at that monster truck. That's cool, huh?
Oh, look over there.
Yeah.
Look, take a picture, William. I want to buy it. Do you want to buy it?
Why did you stop inside the
It's so cool.
Oh, those are monster trucks.
Look at that. It's so tall.
Yeah. You want to go look at it?
Let's look at the picture.
You're not even as big as the tire.
I can't see na good. I need to. Oh, yeah. Wow. I'm Let's take a picture there.
You're gonna get stuck there. Tayo, rapat tayo, lapit.
One eternity later.
Okay, William's got his barbecue, and he is going to town, guys. Going to town. Calamares, chicken sisig. What's that, mommy?
Beef steak.
Beef steak, broccoli.